example, an organic compound is found to have the molecular formula C4H7OBr. Each team is to give the systematic name of one of the isomeric butynols such that all the following three conditions are satisfied. So the conditions are: the double bond is always terminal, the OH is never bonded to an sp2 carbon, and the Br and OH are not bonded to the same carbon in any compound. So here we go. An organic compound is found to have the molecular formula C4H7OBr. Each contestant is to give the systematic name of one of the isomeric butynols such that all the following three conditions are satisfied. The conditions are: the double bond is always terminal, the OH is never bonded to an sp2 carbon, and the Br and OH are not bonded to the same carbon in the compound. So, in principle,
we have 4 bromo, build 3 or 1 in.
he said, I don't have that here. He said, I don't have that here.
2 bromo, 3 propanol.
He said, I don't have that here. So the answers are 2 bromo built 3 in 1 or 2 bromo 3 built in 1 or. 3 bromo built 3 in 1 or. 4 bromo built 3 in 1 or. 1 bromo built 3 in 2 or. 3 bromo built 3 in 2 or. And 4 bromo built 3 in 2 or. Next set, 10 seconds each. Taking carbon to be 12, hydrogen to be 1.0, and oxygen to be 16. Determine the percentage of carbon in each of the following organic compounds, giving your answer to one place of decimal. Taking carbon to be 12 and hydrogen to be 1.0 and oxygen to be 16. Determine the percentage of carbon in each of the following organic compounds, giving your answer to one place of decimal. So in so methyl butanoate. For a bonus, we have the percentage carbon to be 48.9%. For a bonus, 58.8%. Mauli, methyl 3-methyl butanoate. Yeah.
62.1%.
You are right. Adesanya, nor now be done with. Yeah.
Percent carbon. 69.8%.
You are right. That brings us to the end of round one. So at the end of round one, Adesanya came up with 7 points. Mauli came up with 11 points. And Impresso came up with 18 points. We move to the speed quiz, and you know the rules already. So, first set of questions. Please test your bells. First set of questions, 10 seconds. A leaf full of flaccid cells is not effective at photosynthesis. Explain.
It's not effective in photosynthesis because when there is a lot of plastic cells, it is weak, so it's not spread out enough to take in maximum amount of sunlight for effective photosynthesis to take place.
You are right. What are the two body shapes or forms of Nide? Yes.
Polyp and medusa.
You are right. Fruits which develop without fertilizing.
Pathologenic fruit.
Yeah.
Heterocarpic fruit.
You are right. Next set of questions, 30 seconds. A sodium chloride solution has a percent mass by volume concentration of 0.90. How many millimoles of sodium ions are present in 200 milliliters of the solution? So the answer is, time of that. The answer is 31 millimoles. Next, 30.0 milliliters of pure water is added to 50.0 milliliters of 30.0% glucose solution. What is the percentage of glucose in the new solution? Yeah, well,
45.0%.
which I don't get you. 18.8%. Give the molecular equation for the cell reaction of a lead storage battery when it is discharged. So it is Pb plus PbO2 plus 2H2SO4 reacting to give 2PbSO4 plus 2H2. Next set, 30 seconds. Using 15 degrees to be equal to 60 degrees minus 45 degrees. Find the exact value of cos 15. Yes, press it.
Root of 6 minus root 2 all over 4.
Is any of you Mauli? Yeah, Mauli.
It's equal to root 2 multiplying the expression 1 minus root 3. That expression is about 4.
Adesanya.
So a fraction with numerator with 6 plus root 2 and denominator 4.
Right. Next one. Differentiate f of x is equal to 4 over the expression 5x minus 4. Yes, Adesanya.
So dy over dx is equal to dy over dx is equal to 5x minus 13 all over 5x minus 4 all squared.
Yeah, Mauli.
We have expression a numerator negative 20 and a denominator in bracket 5x minus 4 bracket close squared.
Right. The cube root of the square of a real number n is 16.
N is equal to 64.
You are right. When brakes are applied to a moving vehicle, the distance it travels before stopping is called
Called the stopping distance.
is called the stopping distance. Give the expression. Mauli.
It's equal to the square of the initial velocity divided by 2 times the acceleration.
You are right. An object accelerates uniformly along a straight track with acceleration 10 meters per second squared. At t is equal to 0, it is at x is equal to negative 8 meters and moving with velocity 3 meters per second. What is the velocity of the object at t is equal? Yes, Adesanya.
So the velocity is equal to 33 meters per second.
You are right. What is the relative acceleration of two equally accelerated bodies? Yeah, Mauli.
Z
Right. You have to look at the Alessandro came up with 15 points. Ibrahim came up with 17 points. And Mauri 22 points. So true or false? I'll start with Mauri. For the curve, you have a preamble. For the curve, y is equal to f of x. For the curve, y is equal to f of x. Now, a reflection in the y-axis does not change the graph of y is equal to x squared. You are right. A reflection in the y-axis does not change the graph of f of x is equal to the absolute value of x.
False.
It's true. So y is equal to f of negative x is a reflection of the curve y is equal to f of x in the y-axis. True. You are right. If you multiply a matrix of any size by a zero matrix, the answer will be a zero matrix. You are right. Provided the determinant does not equal 0, a matrix has an inverse. You are right. If defined, a column times a row is never a 1 by 1 matrix. True. It's false. Rare alleles have a higher probability of being lost during a population bottleneck event. True. You are right. Inbreeding causes an increase in the probability that individuals carry alleles that are identical by descent. True. You are right. Mutation accumulation experiments indicate that mutation can rapidly change allele frequencies in natural populations. True. It's false. Genetics is the study of biologically inherited traits determined by elements of heredity that are transmitted from offspring to parents in reproduction. False. You are right. Mendel picked common garden pea because pea plants have both male and female reproductive organs.
False.
It's true. Mendel observed that seed color is purple or white.
False.
You are right. Low pressure polythene is obtained from the Ziegler-Natta process. You are right. High density polyheme is more crystalline than low density polyheme.
False.
It's true. High pressure polyheme is more flexible than low pressure polyheme.
False.
It's true. Inside a nuclear reactor, boron acts as a coolant.
False.
You are right. Liquid sodium and carbon dioxide gas are good coolants in a nuclear reactor.
False.
It's true. Boron is a neutron absorber material in nuclear power generation. True. You are right. When a viscous liquid flows horizontally through a tube, the velocity is the same for different particles at the same cross section.
False.
You are right. The velocity profile for the flow of a viscous liquid is a parabolic surface.
False.
It's true. Liquid flow, which has lost all its orderliness, is called turbulent flow.
True.
You are right. Given that the length of an elastic string is A, when the tension is 4N, and when the tension is 4N and is B, when the tension is, please let me take it again. Given that the length of an elastic string is A, when the tension is 4 newtons, and is B, when the tension is 5 newtons, then the length when the tension is 9 newtons is 9B minus 9A.
True.
You are right. So it's false. A wire elongates by L millimeters when a load W is hung from it. If the wire goes over a pulley and two weights W each are hung at the two ends, the elongation of the wire will be L millimeters.
False.
It's true. Given that a gas has bulk modulus K and natural density rho, if a pressure P is applied, then the change in density is K rho all over P.
False.
You are right. This is 5B minus 4A. That brings us to the end of the true or false. At the end of the true or false, Adesanya has 13 points. Impresso has 24 points. and Mauli has 35 points. We move on to the round of riddles. First riddle. I am a 4-digit even number. Score a brace and you may have... Yes.
2,222.
No, please. Score a brace and you may have... Score a brace and you have my first digit. My second digit is the additive identity. 6. That is what I sum up to. 3 of my digits are the same numeral. You can answer me this year. Yes, Maud.
2022.
You are right. Next riddle. I am a chemical element. Something about me suggests that I am associated with the resource factor. Yes, impression. Rhodium. You are right. I am an organic compound. I was derived by a Polish biochemist called Casimir Funk. My name literally means the amine of life. I am a food nutrient. I may be fat soluble or water soluble. Yeah, impression. Right down. You are right. The last riddle for the contest. I am an experimental technique. I utilize an iconic isotope. I was introduced by W. Libby. Archaeologist. Yes, Adisado.
Carbon dating.
I can't do that to you. Carbon 14 dating. Right. And that brings us to the end of the contest. So at the end of the contest, Adesadel came up with 13 points. Impresu came up with 34 points. And Mauli won the contest with 38 points.